5 TTR 230 Yamaha. We are gonna try this one more time. You know, I said the gaskets probably failed, but I think I failed. So we're gonna try this again, a lot slower. Oh, I can't believe I have to take all this off again. But it's gotta be done. And I will let y'all know. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get a new head and piston and go that route. This oil was bubbling, air bubbles coming out of here, so, and it was leaking down here. It sounds fine, but I'm gonna clean it all back up and then we'll go from there. All right.